Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss you about system.io namespace. What is system.io namespace? It's the namespaces we have discussed earlier also, to declaring a namespace to availing inside a namespace a functionality called many of the classes and methods and which are relevant to the functionality we can avail very easily. See, the system.io contains types that allows reading and writing to files and data streams, and the types that provides the basic file and directory supports. So the classes which are already having inside a system.io are representing here. Binary reader, see the few of examples I will read out here, reads primitive data types and binary values in a specific encoding. And binary writer, it's a write the data types and it will be reads on a file. So the dictionary exposes static methods for creating and moving and enumerating through dictionaries and subdirectories in the class cannot be inherited. This class cannot be inherited, but it will be using this class. We can create a directory and moving and enumerating the directories. And by taking like a dictionary info, this class exposes instances methods for creating, moving and enumerating through directories and subdirectories. So these all the predefined classes, like a completely like see here, it's in a file providing static methods for creation, copying, declaring, like a deleting or moving, opening a single file or aids in the creation of using the file streams. These all the classes which are already predefinedly ready-madely available. So using and declaring this system.io namespace, we can use these all the classes. A few of I'll show you in the next lectures how we are going to be reading and writing or a text in a file or creating a directory. We'll see one by one. For more information, you'll go through like Microsoft MSDN libraries to get simple and how the class is defined. So see, this namespace will write here like using system.io. Terminate. That's it. By declaring like this, we can avail all these functionality which are the classes are available inside this namespace. See here, I have shown you here like these are the classes. We can avail it. How we have written like console.writeline, the class we have used. Similar way, we'll use this. In the next lecture, how we are going to using and applying these classes, a few of examples we'll see. I'll see you at next lecture. Thank you.